Hello guys. Today I am going to talk about the internal implementation of the hashtags. What is the data? We'll talk about the internal implementation, how the data is stored, retrieved, and the things like that. In the start, first I create a hashset object. As I create a hashset object, in the heap memory, hashmap table will be created with the default size of the hash table and hash pair, as the default size of the hash table is 16 and the load factor is 75. We'll talk about the load factor in the later video, and this is how memory will be reserved in the heap. So when I hit h.add1, there are three steps to insert the data in the hash table. First of all, because we have to get the hash value of our object that we are going to insert. One is an object. Let's the hash value of the object is 100. And the second, here's the formula how to hash value, and after getting the hash value we will get the index of the we get the index where we're going to insert our object in the heap. As we know, there is default size is 16, so where we're going to insert our object in 16 position. To calculate that, there is a formula. Here is the hash code. We get the hash code of the object, and we take the mode, the size of the hash set. That's the hash code is 100. We take mode 100 with 16, and the result is 4. So we're gonna store our object at the fourth position, just like I mentioned in this position. And at second point, after calculating the index, we check if the address, if our object is already exists in the memory. We are not going to insert the object in the memory. We just gonna neglect and drop the index. This is we and To check if our object, this object already present in the memory or not, we use the contains function. And the contains function internally uses the equal function, which compare the contents of the objects. If they are equal, it return true, and it's else false. And, if it return true, we're not gonna store the object. If it returns false, then we're gonna store the object in the memory. So as I said in the start, hash sets internally use hash map, and we know the hash map use the key and a value like thing to store the data. We only have the one object. We don't have any key or value things. We have just one data. That is one. So what a internal hashset will do, it will use the object you are given in add method. It will use that object as a key and put a present, just like present object in the value map. Just like I created an object with the name of the present. I'm just assuming these things. I don't know the internal names of the these things, but this is the way how they implement these things. So it will create a present object, and it will put all time whenever just if I hit here, if I do hash dot add, you know if I say something, Ali, it's gonna do the same thing. It's gonna get the hash code, get the index, and gonna store this value. Let's suppose its index, we calculate its index is 3. So we're gonna here put the Ali here, and key and value will be present again, just like the object we created here, present. This is the way how hash set implementation is done in the background. We know the complex things, we just don't understand what's going on behind, but this is the actual implementation of the hash set using the hash map or hash table. Thanks for watching video.